Before jumping into the Flexbox, let's get used to some terms that are going to be used along this series. First, we have the Flex container. Flex container is the element that contains the Flex items. So if we have a div, for example, like this, and define it as a Flex container, the items that are inside this container will automatically become Flex items. So we have Flex container that talks about the element that contains the items, and all the items that are inside that container are called Flex items. So now if we take a look at some HTML here, the div with the class of the container is called the Flex container, and all of these divs are called Flex items. Next up, which is very important, is the Flexbox axis. As said beforehand, Flexbox is a one-dimensional axis. However, we have two axes that are used inside the Flexbox. First one is called the main axis, and the second one is the cross axis. In Flexbox, the main axis is the primary axis along which the Flex items are laid out. The cross axis is perpendicular to the main axis and is used to control the alignment of Flex items in the opposite direction. So, if we have something like this, you can see that this axis is the main axis, by default the row axis, and the cross axis will be the column. So for a row layout, the cross axis runs vertically, while for a column layout, it runs horizontally. The main start and the main end are the starting and ending positions of the main axis. So the items are being placed in the Flexbox container according to the main start and main end and across the main axis.